So obviously with the webinar, we spoke about the birch leaf oil, why it's just so powerful and such a brilliant one to have in your apothecary. You'll also find all of the written instructions for making this on the resource page, but I would just thought I'd show you how simple it is with a walkthrough. All you need is some extra virgin olive oil, some castor oil, and a glass jar with an airtight lid, and some freshly foraged birch leaves. So that's just a couple of branches, that's more than enough actually. You'll see on the recipe guide that I do suggest you leave them to dry overnight before using them. So all you would do is just strip the leaves like that. Strip all those off. And ideally just leave them somewhere dry overnight like that, just to reduce the moisture content, because it makes the oil stronger and reduces the risk of mold growth, but you don't need to, it's just as an added precaution. So whether you're using them straight off the tree or whether they're dried, all you have to do is fill your jar about a third full with the leaves. You can give them a bit of a rub just to release more of their oils and a bit of a bruise. Pop those in. None of these remedies we're talking about are exact measures. We're not in a laboratory. This is just the Falk method. It's just general ratios. So roughly a third of the leaves, about 2/3 olive oil, 1/3 castor oil, just because the castor oil is so thick. Again, in the webinar, you'll see all the benefits of these oils. So then just pour in, so roughly up to about there, 2/3-ish of your olive oil. Like so. Already you can smell that, which is phenomenal. Like so. About a third. This for me is a must, the castor oil. It transforms from being a brilliant remedy into a phenomenal one. And then just top up with your castor oil. You'll see how much thicker that is. Like so. And then what you do have to do is give it a really good stir to make sure there's no air bubbles in it. Put the lid on, give it a really good shake. Then leave that in a dark cupboard. You could use that within 2 days. That'll be ready to open. You can open it up and just massage it onto your skin. But what you want to do is leave that ideally in a dark cupboard for 2 to 3 weeks. But what is key is that every day you invert it and every day you shake it, because the leaves have to stay wet and they have to stay covered. So every day invert, shake. After 2 weeks, strain it through a sieve into a clean, dry jar, airtight lid, and that will last a year, 15 months easily. And that is such a brilliant daily moisturizing, skin health, anti-aging oil.